The silence in a relationship can be deafening. It's not always about arguments, is it? Sometimes it's the slow drift, the quiet growing apart that truly aches. We think we know everything about our partner, we become so comfortable, so settled. And in that settling, we can unintentionally start to fade into the background of each other's lives. This is where the magic of daily communication, even about the smallest things, comes in. It's not about constant chatter, but about conscious connection. Think about it. When you first met, every little detail was fascinating. What they ate for breakfast, the funny thought they had on the bus, the song they heard that reminded them of you. These were the threads that wove your early connection. As time goes on, we can mistakenly believe that those threads are already securely in place, that we don't need to keep reinforcing them. But life happens. We get busy, we get stressed, we get focused on external pressures. And without realizing it, we can stop sharing the mundane, the everyday, the seemingly insignificant moments that, in reality, are the bedrock of intimacy. This isn't about reporting your every move. It's about creating a consistent, gentle rhythm of sharing. It's about saying, hey, I saw a dog that looked exactly like Fluffy today, and it made me smile. Or, this coffee is surprisingly good this morning. Or, I just remembered that silly joke you told me last week, and it's still making me laugh. These small disclosures are powerful. They say, I'm thinking of you, my world includes you, and I value your presence. They act as tiny anchors, keeping you tethered to each other amidst the currents of daily life. When we stop sharing these small things, we create little pockets of unseen experiences. Your partner might start to feel like they're living alongside you rather than with you. They miss out on the subtle shifts in your mood, the tiny joys that brighten your day, the minor annoyances that might be bothering you. This lack of shared micro moments can lead to a feeling of distance, a sense that you're no longer truly seen or understood. It can even breed assumptions. If you don't share that you had a tough day at work, your partner might interpret your quietness as disinterest rather than what it truly is, a need for a gentle re-entry into your shared space. So, how do we cultivate this habit? It begins with intention. Make a conscious decision to look for opportunities to share. It could be during your morning coffee, on your commute, or before you go to bed. It's not about crafting profound pronouncements, it's about genuine, unvarnished sharing. A simple text message, just saw the most beautiful sunset. Wish you were here to see it with me. Or a quick comment over dinner, the mailman left a package for our neighbor and I almost grabbed it by mistake. Made me laugh. Another powerful tool is active listening when your partner shares their small things. Respond with curiosity and genuine interest. Ask follow-up questions. Even a simple, oh really? Or, tell me more about that, can make your partner feel heard and valued. It's a reciprocal process. When you show that you're interested in the small pieces of their day, they'll be more inclined to share them with you, and vice versa. Don't underestimate the power of vulnerability in these small exchanges. Sharing a minor worry, a slight disappointment, or even just a fleeting thought that seems silly can create deeper connection. It shows you trust your partner enough to be imperfect and human with them. It signals that they are your safe harbor. This practice also helps to prevent resentments from festering. Small annoyances, when left unexpressed, can grow into significant grievances. By bringing them up gently and early. Hey, I noticed the dishes weren't done this morning. No worries, but I wanted to mention it in case it slipped your mind. You open the door for dialogue and understanding, rather than allowing a silent buildup of frustration. Ultimately, communicating daily, even about small things, is about cultivating a garden of shared experience. It's about tending to the delicate flowers of connection, ensuring they have the sunlight and water they need to bloom. It's about actively choosing to stay present in each other's lives, moment by moment, day by day. It's the quiet, consistent effort that builds the strongest, most resilient, and most deeply loving relationships.